Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Spotify Premium, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Spotify Premium, start by opening the Spotify app on your device. If you're using a computer, you can also log in via the Spotify website. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you sign up using your email address, select the option to log in with email. Enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you created your account using Facebook or another social media platform, select the relevant option. For Facebook, click on the Login with Facebook button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. After filling in your login information, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Spotify homepage. If you have a Spotify Premium subscription, you can now enjoy all the benefits. Explore playlists, albums, and your favorite songs right from the interface. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. Make sure you are entering the correct email address and password. For any persistent issues, consider reinstalling the app or checking for updates. You're now ready to enjoy your Spotify Premium experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.